How to silence notifications on Omnipod 5. Manage alerts easily. How to silence notifications on Omnipod 5. Acknowledge alerts to stop repetition when an alarm sounds. Acknowledging it can prevent it from repeating. To do this, wake up your Omnipod 5 app. Tap the notification bell icon to view active notifications. Tap the back arrow to mark them as acknowledged. 2. Adjust notification settings. You can customize which alerts you receive. Navigate to Menu Settings Reminders. Here you can enable or disable specific reminders like missed bolus or check BG after bolus. 3. Use vibration mode to switch to vibration mode. Press the sound/vibrate button on the right side of the controller. Note: some critical alarms may still produce sound even in vibrate mode. 4. Silence persistent alarms. If an alarm continues despite acknowledgement. For controller alarms, press and hold the power button to turn off the controller, then turn it back on. 4. Pod alarms. If necessary, remove the pod and use a paper clip to press the alarm shut-off port located near the fill port.